Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn on how to enable local security policy, SecPol.msc, in Windows 11 or 10 Home. The local security policy, SecPol.msc, in Windows 11 or 10 contains important information about the security of a local computer. However, it is not a part of the Windows Home Edition. When you try to access the local security policy in Windows 11 or 10 Home, you will receive an error that says Windows can't find SecPol.msc. Administrators primarily use it to manage and administer different security parameters of the host computer. If you want to apply some security policies on your Windows 11 or 10 Home system, you must first enable it. In this GearUpWindows article, we will guide you on downloading and enabling local security policy, SecPol.msc, on your computer. Please note that enabling the local security policy, SecPol.msc, will also allow the local group policy, gpedit.msc, on your computer. How to turn on SecPol.msc in Windows 11 or 10 Home. To enable the local security policy, SecPol.msc, in Windows 11 or 10 Home Edition, you need to download the SecPol.msc script on your PC, link provided in video description. Next, right-click on the downloaded files and click the Extract All option. Or, use any other Achiever tool to extract its contents such as WinRAR or WinZip. Then, click the Extract button at the bottom of the window. When the script file is extracted in a folder, right-click on the gpedit.enabler.bat file and select the Run as Administrator option. When you're done, a command prompt window will open and download and install the required files automatically on your PC. It will take a few minutes, depending on the speed of your PC and internet speed. After that, in the command prompt window, you will see Press any key to continue. When you're on the command prompt window, press any key from the keyboard to exit it. That's it. Now, your Windows 11 or 10 is ready to run local security policy, SecPol.msc, and local group policy editor, gpedit.msc, on your computer. To run SecPol.msc or gpedit.msc on your computer, open the Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R keys from the keyboard. In the Run box, type SecPol.msc or gpedit.msc and then hit Enter from the keyboard. Good luck!